My holiday gift guide is here. Art chosen with heart. I spent so much time describing each of the silks and the prints. I have original paintings, big and small, ornaments that will bring a smile on everybody's face. They are irresistible. Fine art prints of my paintings in different sizes. Books, calendar, home gifts. There should be something for everyone on your list. Art mugs that are so joyful. My Starseeds book for the quiet moments. And the 2026 art wall calendar. Check it out at the Holiday Gift Guide.